Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kasevaddi.Muthyal. I have good experience on Docker. So as part of the Docker topics, previously I have created one video. In that video, I clearly explain about what is Docker, what is the main purpose of the Docker, and why should we use Docker in application development and deployment. So how do we install Docker on host operating system like Ubuntu server, and clearly explain about how to create Docker file and how to create the image, sample image, Python image, and using that image how to create the containers, and inside the containers how to deploy the sample Python Flask application. Once done the deployment, how to access that application in the web. So these topics I have clearly explained in the last video. So please watch that video clearly if you want to understand related Docker topics. Okay, and if you watch that video, definitely you will get knowledge on the Docker and you can crack the interviews also. Okay, mostly in the interview time they will ask the questions these topics only. So that's why I have created clearly video about Docker. So today, day 2 of the Docker. Okay, today we will discuss about how to push Docker image to GitHub registry and how to pull the customized image from Docker Hub and access the application in web. Okay, today I am going to be explain about these two topics. So let me make the practical. Firstly, we have to connect to the server. Okay, exit here. I have already Ubuntu server like host OS server. So this is the command. We have to run this command to connect the AWS EC2 instances. So I was able to connect this server, host operating system server. Here there is a directory. Navigate to directory. Here give the ls. There are some files related to Docker configurations. Here check there are any containers are up and running. See, one container is up and running. It means deployment is done and I am able to run the applications called Flask Docker application inside the container, and container is up and running. So now I can access the application in the web. So like this. So this is the IP address of the server and this is the port number of host server. Okay. So here you can check here, or else copy this and open new tab and run this. See, hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. It means I am able to access the content of the application. Okay, after complete the deployment. So if you go to today topics, okay, how to push Docker image to GitHub registry. So in this case, what we have to first, we have to log into the Docker Hub registry through command line mode. Docker login -u username of the Docker Hub. Okay, so it will ask the password of the Docker Hub. We have to enter and password. See, now I am able to log into the Docker Hub through command line mode. Okay, so now we have to push the image to Docker Hub, right? Firstly, we have to create Docker Hub account. See here, it is very easy. Docker Hub login. Okay, search in Google Docker Hub login. So I have already created Docker Hub account. That's why I don't need to enter any. I don't need to create the account from the starting. Okay, just to log in the Docker Hub, just I have to enter the username and password. Click on Docker Hub account. Click on sign in. Okay. This is my Docker Hub mail ID. We have to enter the password of the Docker Hub. Okay, this Docker Hub account I have created 4 years back. Okay, here click on Hub. Once click on Hub here, it will display the repositories. Click on repositories. See here, okay. 4 years back, I have pushed one image called Kasevaddi.Muthyal/batch72. This is customized image. Okay, this is the all the repositories. Okay, inside the repositories there is a tags also. Here, okay, you can check here. We can create the tags to specific images. Okay, let's go to practical. So we are able to log into the Docker. Now we have to push the Docker image, right? So the command is, so this is the command, Docker tag, okay, copy Docker tag, local image name, :tag, Docker Hub, username, repository name and tag. Okay. Okay, in that case, I will modify this command. Local image name. Here you can see the image. Okay, this is the image. DOCK Docker images. This is the image. Right. Docker tag image colon. I can give 1.0 tag space Docker Hub username /k slash username repository name :tag. I want to create repository same like this only, so that's why I will use the same name. Repository name and image name should be same. Then we can able to push the image to Docker Hub. So run this command. After modification, paste. Okay, enter. Next, we have to push that image. Now, as of now, we have tagged. Okay, we are tagged to the specific image. Now we have to push that image to Docker Hub along with the tag. Next command is Docker push Docker Hub username, image name, my app test. Okay, image name is nothing but class Docker app 1.0, paste, enter. To push refer to repository Docker Hub does not exist locally the tag. Okay, Docker push Muthyal, the name type here. Okay, just check the username correctly. See, now we are able to push the image to Docker Hub. Okay, now successfully we have pushed Docker image to Docker Hub. Let me check. Okay, here click on repositories. You can see here, right? This is the image, right, which we have pushed to Docker Hub. K-Muthyal/flask Docker app. Okay, click on. Here you can see the tag. Tag is 1.0, right? Yeah. Now what happens? We have created one application called Flask Docker app application. We are able to deploy that application inside the container, and we are able to run that application inside the container. After run, we are able to access the application in the web like this, and we are able to push that image into Docker Hub. You can see here along with the tag, okay, using these commands. Okay, as of now we are able to push the image. Next, we are going to how to pull and use the existed image from Docker Hub. Okay, as of now we are able to push the image to Docker Hub. Now we have to pull the image, pull the same image, like customized image from the Docker Hub. Let me do the practically. Here we can follow the steps. Already pushed to Docker image to Docker Hub, pulling and running it on a new Ubuntu server is very straightforward. Let's go step by step. Firstly, we have to create one new server. Okay. Okay. First, we have to create one more server. Okay. Here, log into AWS account. You know, right, how to create AWS S3 instances. Okay, click on instances. Click on launch instances. Okay. Here we have to create one more server called Docker2. Okay, select Ubuntu host operating system. Okay, select Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS. Here select C large, C7 flex large. It is free tier eligible. Next, select key pair. I have already existed key pair. If you don't have, enable allow HTTPS and HTTP ports, and configuration should be 8 and 3 GP3. Next, click on launch instance. So now we are creating one more new EC2 instance. Okay, in that new EC2 instance, we are going to pull and access the same applications which we have pushed to the Docker Hub. Okay, EC2 Docker2 EC2 instances successfully created. See here, Docker2. Okay. Okay, let's connect to the server using git bash. Okay, here we can exit. Run this command, replace the IP address of the server, new server, which we have created. Enter S. Now we are able to connect to the new EC2 instance server which we have created recently. Okay, the steps. So pull our image, right? Okay, follow these steps. If you are server don't have docker installed, run. Okay, so that is new server, right? In that server there is no docker, so now we have to install the docker. Run this command. Next run the next run the install docker command. Docker successfully installed. We should run. Sudo systemctl start docker. Before that we have to enable docker. Enable docker. Paste. Okay, start the docker. Check the docker status, whether it is running or not. Docker is up and running. Okay, nice. Verify the docker version. Okay, 28.2.2, Ubuntu version 24.0.4. Nice, successfully installed docker. Okay, next add user mode permissions to Docker Hub, because no need to enter sudo every time, and then log out online or run new RP Docker. Okay, right. Next, log into the Docker Hub. You know right how to log into the Docker login -u username of the Docker Hub. Now we are logged into the Docker Hub in the new host operating system. Okay, enter the password of the Docker Hub. Successfully log in. Next, we have to run the command for the pull the image. Okay, here your Docker Hub username and image and tag name. Okay, right. So this is the command. I want to pull the image, existed image, which is in the Docker Hub. Okay, Docker pull Docker Hub username and image name, and this good. We are able to pull the image. Okay, these are the containers which contains in the image. Okay, check the images. Docker images. Perfect. Images has been created. Image ID created 6 hours ago. Because this image I already created in different host operating system and different in the same container. Just we are changing the host operating systems only. Here there are no any configurations files, right? So we are using the existed container and existed applications which already deployed in the container. Now check the docker ps containers. Okay, there are no any active containers. Okay, now we have to run the container. Okay, copy this, enter. It means now we are going to create a container with the name flask app, using docker image. And this command, see container created, check the docker ps command. The container is up and running. Yeah, container is up and running. Okay, so you can check here, image name, container id, flask app name, flask app. Here we have given name, right? Name is, container name should be flask app. See here, container name. So we are able to successfully create a container. Next, it means run in detached mode. -d. -p means providing the port numbers. Map host port number 802, containers internal port number. Container internal port number 5000. The host port is 8080. -f name flask app container name. This is the Docker username. This is the Docker Hub repository name. Image from Docker Hub. Next, we have to verify whether it is running or not. Yeah, we have verified here successfully. Container is up and running. It means we are using the customized image. In that customized image, we already deploy the Python flask docker app application, and we are able to access the this application in the web. Let me check how to access. IP address. IP address of the server. Move it. Go here. This is the server, right? Copy. Control V :8080. Run. See, we are not able to access the application in the web. It means the port number is we have not enabled in the server level. Go here. How to enable port number? Select Docker 2. Come down. There is a security option. Click on it. Click on any one of the launch wizard. Click on security group ID. Click on edit inbound rules. Add rule. Select custom PCB. Enter port number 8080. Choose all JOs. Save the rules. We have enabled the port number 8080. Check here whether we are able to access the application in the web. Yes, we are able to access the application in the web. Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. So successfully we are able to pull and push and pull the image, okay, in the same container. Okay, I already add that this documentation in my repository, GitHub repository. Okay, go here. You can go through here. Here, click on Docker installation commands. Okay. Here, click on this file. This is the PDF. Okay. If you practice this PDF, if you go through on this PDF, definitely you will understand the Docker concepts. Okay. And you can able to crack the interviews also, and you get to know about Docker, how, what is the image, what is the container, okay, what was the Docker file, okay, how to create image, how to push and pull the image, how to use that image, registered image, okay. These things you can clearly understand if you watch the video till the end. Okay, you can check all the data here. Okay, once again, I would highly recommend you please watch this video till the end to get more knowledge on the Docker. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, take care. Bye bye. We'll see in the next video, and I will create more videos on Docker topics, like there is a Docker daemon, Docker client, and I will explain about architecture of the Docker in the future videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.